Eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow our businesses may die, or our business may die. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today for our December idioms. My little holiday bear and I are celebrating the month of December with holiday-related or Christmas-related this week idioms. And eat, drink, and be merry is one of the most popular Christmas idioms. It's been around. Epicurus, the Greek philosopher, is the first one credited with saying this. It's in Ecclesiastes in the Bible. So it's been around for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, right? Thousands of years, actually. And that means it's impacted billions of people. Well, anything that impacts billions of people probably impacts us as well. So we often say, well, let's eat, drink, and be merry, because we don't know what the future's going to hold. The proverb, it's actually a proverb, and it's eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we may die. Well, isn't that the truth? We never know when we're going to die, right? No, normally I would not say because tomorrow our business might die, but with COVID and the pandemic, many, many businesses died overnight and over the last couple of years. And then if you add on top of that the violence and the rioting and the protests, the peaceful protests that were really riots in those areas that some of us live in and actually witnessed and experienced versus what the media portrayed, we've seen that businesses, just like we, can expire overnight, can be destroyed overnight. And so we need to be prepared, right? So I think the message is enjoy today, because we don't know what tomorrow will bring. So how do we tie this to our business? What does this mean to our business? Three things came to mind for me when I was thinking about this particular idiom or expression. Number one, know when to celebrate. How do you celebrate? Do you know when to celebrate? What do you celebrate in your business and in your life? Number two, time off and away from the business is imperative. And we need to remember that we are not our business. We are amazing, incredible, infinite human beings. And no matter what happens in our business and happens in the world outside of us, we are still amazing human beings. So we need time off to recharge our batteries. So my question for you today is, do you take time off? I know for a couple of decades, literally 20 years, I almost never took a vacation. And even when I was on vacation, I had tons of work and tons of things that I had to do and accomplish when I was on vacation. And now I actually turn off everything and take time off and separate myself and recharge my batteries so that I'm not exclusively thinking, worrying, and living my business. I think for a lot of type A personalities and entrepreneurs, it's very challenging to do that. But it's also really challenging to live with people like that, me included, because we never do turn off. So how do you recharge your batteries? How do you take time off? How do you bring back the energy that you need to keep growing and supersizing your business without taking some of that time off? And number three, know your limits. Know what and when is enough for you. Know your boundaries and your limits. Do you know your boundaries and your limits? And it might be with respect to eating and drinking and being merry. I know my limit for caramels. I know my limit for alcohol. I know my limit for certain things. I know my limit for how late I should stay up. And sometimes I go over my limit, but for the most part, I've learned over the decades what my personal limits are, my personal lines in the sand are, and I really don't defy those. I want to live in a way that makes me feel good. So that is our idiom, our expression for today. Eat, drink, and be merry. I encourage you over the next couple of days to do that. Take time off. Be present with your family and friends. Enjoy your time. Celebrate that we're still here after the past year and a half of or almost 2 years now of just plain craziness. I don't know if that's how you feel about it, but that's how I feel about it. Enjoy your friends and family. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another idiom for Christmas Eve and Christmas morning as well. But have an awesome day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be eating, drinking, and being merry with my amazing family and friends. Have a great day, and I will be with you tomorrow.